What is up, YouTube? This is me and that little giant, and we're going to do the
Bulldozer fun.
Yes, we are. Okay, so we're going to do this helicopter.
Let me get ready real quick. Wait. Okay.
Me too? Hold on, wait. Yeah. Let me get ready. Alright, I'm ready.
Get in. Okay, let me put the mark on here. We're going to have a bunch of Bulldozer fun.
Yes, we
I hope you
are.
like this video. Just like it and comment, please. Share your emotions. Share your emotions with the world. Or I'll kill you. Share your emotions with the world or I'll kill you.
It's going to be a short or a long ride.
So now we're just flying. It might take us a minute.
Or two.
Yeah, or two.
Oh, my buddy's outside eating my grass.
But we'll be there.
Oh, I can't. That's where you do the mission with Michael, and you
Michael Giuseppe house.
and then he
Vito.
he kidnaps Patricia. Patricia.
Patricia.
Yeah, Patricia.
Patricia.
Did you? We're going to get like a little bit of RP for flying with friends.
Yes, maybe 20.
Yes, 20.
You don't get a lot.
That is our.
Anything to do with your friends, you usually get RP with it.
These are gamer tags right on the screen right about now. It should be popping up right now. It's on the screen. It's me, Enable Giant. Please don't be watching at us.
You can friend us. We don't care. We can play with you.
Just don't be blowing my screen up.
You don't have to, but
all you have to do is send me a message saying you want to do a video or something like that. You don't have to.
And if you want to be our friend, just look at our gamer tags.
It's right here in the middle of our screen. Right there. But pause the video if you want to write it down or something. And it's right there. Doesn't matter. We do GTA on the Xbox 360.
I'm sorry the Bulldozer's not there, but we try.
Yes, we do try. Everything we can.
Hey, I think I see it.
You see it? I think you're right. I see it.
Yes.
I see it. Yep.
Okay, Pro Gaming, he's going to be in the little basket of it. I'm driving.
And we're going to have some cop mayhem.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, put spawn location, last location, so when you die, it'll be right there.
Okay. That's what we're saying. On location, last location. On location, last location. That rhymed. No. You're a dead body. Let's go to adventures.
I'm out of the thing.
Backing up. Get under it.
Try to smush me.
Come here.
Alright, try it. You missed. You'll never catch me. Dun, 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 no. Dun, 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 dun.
Where?
Dun, 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 dun. Jump. Yay.
This thing can't turn with a crack. He's finally in. Did you die?
Yup.
And that's why you don't want to mess with Bulldozer, kid.
Let me change my uniform to a more fancier.
You have to flip a car.
Okay, so yeah,
Yeah,
guys, if you
yeah,
go to
yeah.
the front register of any store, you can easily just get any outfit. This is outfits. And our thing is the 1.12 thingy. Stuck in the door.
If y'all come to if Pro Gaming ever comes to where I am, y'all can see what I'm doing.
Get out the way.
Please.
I want to see what's going on. Oh my god.
I'm crushing a car. Hi, Pro Gaming.
I want to see
You
what
wanna
happens
come
if
touch my
I...
Bulldozer?
Here, hold on, wait, yeah, hold on. Bulldozer.
Where? I'm gonna mess you up.
Tow truck. Yeah, I want to see if that is possible. I can tow truck. If I can tow truck a bulldozer. I want to see if that is possible.
I don't think it is.
You can put it to the test. Well, we have to find a place where to get a bulldozer. Let me get this.
I have a Bulldozer already.
You do? No, not a bulldozer. I mean a tow truck. This is where it takes place with the heist in GTA 5. The Polito Bay heist. This is where Franklin gets dropped off. And the bank's right around the corner. Around...
Oh yeah, they drive there.
It's
I mean, he
around...
drives there.
Around there somewhere.
Yeah, they drop
Right
him off here and he drives.
Up to the bank, if I can find the bank. I'm trying to find it. Right here. Bank's right here. And, let's see, see if it's possible for us to do this ourselves. Open up, cops. Come on, open the door. I want to see if it's possible. I can't get in it. I guess this is going to be one of the heists for us because I can't get in it. Bulldozer, take me away.
Where? Get in. You're alright.
My leg's sticking out of it.
Get in. Hurry.
Lift me up.
Go.
Come on, cops. You can't handle me. You can't reach me. You can't reach me. Let's go. Let's go, cops.
This is epic.
Da, 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 da. Oh, I tried it. I gotta do something. I gotta turn my my friend attack down. All right.
Epicness is happening.
No.
I
Hey,
got you.
no, you died. How could you?
Don't worry, we can get. I'll go
Yes.
get the Bulldozer.
Yes, Vinny.
We'll play Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah, here. Just join the game. We're doing a video.
Okay.
Okay, I'm called driving Bulldozer.
Yeah, we're doing a video. A YouTube video.
Who's the account?
Mine.
Alright, what's your name?
It's my brother's. Is
His
Kevin?
Like his video?
No, it's my video. He just gave me his account, but I don't know how to change the username. But his user, the thingy,
Tell
things,
me the username.
it's Kevin Rivers.
Okay.
I have this little.
Randy, I need some help over here.
I have 2 stars. They call me Bulldozer. You have it? I want to see you flip that cop car. Flip that cop car.
Trying. Favorite. It's kind of hard. I can though, I swear. You can flip cars with it.
You just flip one. I want to see if I can't die. How long can I survive? Oh, you got me to do survival? But on a different one? Different video? Ooh, that's neat.
You just crashed.
Ugh. Where's the gun store? I can't drive. Ooh, I'm gonna blow myself up. No, I'm trying to blow myself up. Get away, cops. Is it not gonna work? No! Please don't kill me. I didn't do any harm. Psych. No! I did no harmful harm. Let's call the fire truck. See what we can do with that.
Want to crush the car? Crush it? Yes. Crap.
No, not downtown, Cub. Yeah, I'll do it. Hold on, wait. No, it's not busy. Stop lying. Oh my
Did you see that cop car?
I'm gonna pop that tire. See what he does. No, I didn't mean to. Leave me alone. I didn't do any harm.
Did you see that cop car?
I seen that cop car.
Mm.
Hide behind that garbage can. The garbage can. Don't die.
I know where you are.
No, I don't. You do. I swear, don't flip the garbage can. You'll give away my secret spot.
I don't even think I can flip it.
Don't flip it.
It's not possible.
No, I'm caught. Pick me up. Pick me up, truck.
Not a truck. You call a truck.
Bulldozer, pick me up.
I picked you up.
No, I fell out.
And
Get away, cops. I need the hand for this. Don't say look at it, who it is. I'm stuck in this one spot. I'm touching the wall too. Though I hope I don't fall like right through. No! No! Where you at, Vinny? Are you in the city?
I don't even know if I'm in the city.
He's somewhere random.
Oh, I see you. All the way in the city.
That's why I'm in the city.
Yeah, you're getting close.
Me and Pro Gaming are having fun with the Bulldozer.
You're getting close, Vinny.
Mm-hmm.
alrighty, that is the end of this video. Hope to see you in the next video. See you all later.